industry that has already seen significant benefits from the use of VR and AR. With VR, potential buyers can take a virtual tour of a property, allowing them to get a sense of the space and layout without ever visiting in person. This can be particularly useful for buyers who are unable to travel to the property. Similarly, AR can be used to overlay digital content onto a real-world environment, allowing potential buyers to see what a property could look like with different furnishings or decor. Challenges and considerations. While VR and AR have a wide range of potential applications for businesses, there are also some challenges and considerations that need to be taken into account. One of the biggest challenges is the cost of implementing these technologies. VR and AR can require significant hardware and software investments, as well as ongoing maintenance and support costs. Another consideration is the need for specialized expertise. Developing VR and AR experiences requires a range of skills, from 3D modeling and animation to programming and user experience design. Thus, businesses may need to invest in training or hire specialized staff to create these experiences. Finally, there are also concerns around user adoption. While VR and AR are growing in popularity, they still have relatively low adoption rates compared to more established technologies like mobile devices and computers. This means that businesses may need to put in additional effort to educate users and encourage adoption. In addition to these challenges, there are also ethical considerations that need to be taken into account when using VR and AR. For example, there are concerns around the potential for addiction or overuse of these technologies. There are also concerns around the potential for these technologies to be used for unethical purposes, such as manipulating people's perceptions or perpetuating harmful stereotypes. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of VR and AR for businesses are significant. These technologies have the power to transform the way businesses operate, improving everything from product development to customer engagement. As technological advancements continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, it's likely that we'll see even more innovative uses for VR and AR emerge in the years to come. As businesses continue to adapt and evolve, it's clear that technological advancements will play a big role in shaping the way we work and interact with one another. Virtual and augmented reality are just two examples of the many emerging technologies that are poised to disrupt traditional business models and create new opportunities for growth and innovation. Looking ahead, it's likely that we'll see even more advanced virtual and augmented reality technologies emerge. As these technologies continue to evolve, businesses will need to stay on top of the latest developments and explore new ways to leverage them for competitive advantage. Whether it's through product visualization, employee training, remote collaboration, marketing, or real estate, the potential benefits of virtual and augmented reality are clear. As virtual and augmented reality technologies evolve, they are also becoming more accessible to businesses of all sizes. Previously, the costs of implementing these technologies were prohibitive for most businesses, but now there are more affordable options available. Additionally, advances in software development have made it easier for businesses to create VR and AR experiences without needing specialized expertise. One example of this is the emergence of no-code tools that allow users to create VR and AR experiences without needing to write any code. These tools have opened up a whole new world of possibility. As for businesses, enabling them to create engaging experiences with minimal investment. Another promising development is the increasing integration of VR and AR with other technologies, such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. By combining these technologies, businesses can create even more immersive and engaging experiences for their customers.